Chama. I go. Good afternoon.
Now, what promise?
Chama, I said, be a high agreement. We're going to see at your office.
Oh, catch on, say. Now, we can also.
Chairman, when anybody be a commander, ever since I discovered you, I'm saying, campaign 17, and I'm so why busy. As I never cry 22nd.
Almost 3 years.
Commander, Chairman, scarce me about 50,000 over this campaign. Until
and I wouldn't want to do answer. I'm Kawasa. I'm a wow. Now, but I want
Chairman. Look at the ballot paper now, they play and answer. Okay, see, can look. And send me the tiny paper, now I work it.
Now, agreement and the corner referee, and the referee is of a share gratis.
Send me near my moon and Sakosh have my gratis.
Chairman, they say, no, they tell me say, Scar over G said the year campaign for assemblyman. And I may add who this kind of a you want come be obedi. So second or third or first, one can we see who we are. Yes, you was I demand here.
I say, and 2 years ago, Musaka. Now, when I lose, I see cash and I am sponsor. Yeah, but Jim Musaka.
Yes, sure, I said, I'm saying.
Yes, so you didn't remember. You can now
my open Thomas over to me. Actually, I can have it to me try that. So do I in fact change to man and
Jalema since I do
every day chapo this one when I just on so
I'm mimi nyaba ko pesi ka be di o abada me kwakwa yem sika na ba lock money when you want to something settling back master musika na ba lock
don't forget about that
musika I ba lock money and I'm the mama me dey ko file poster that me file poster say wom and dem show toy ya poster ni and who ni pay wo nyina to awura to for
wow ko ye photocopy na we ye na wan yin
na me ye
no sika 50,000 Ghana cedis 50,000 who ka tell say e ba lock money
yeah
na unum say e office agro na e di ho
dem kai mo ba fi
what is wrong with this man?
No, he's just taking us by the
consider as if say I say abana e boy no you nya na fa ni as a high fever but say na sadia then I'm telling you say when this bosika
what be Jesus on every day chabo ani sonko janu so ni sonko na die ya wo ka say
no like obi wura office one or tier condition man or say boy anyhow open no this say yesika ye di free
papa yesika na na wan fa yi o
na me be try yesim ho de me nsha
yesika na na wan fa yi
singa man fa na mo pepper chunga na mo ka se po pepper
ya be yesika
so we enjoy
ya be jina wo
listen
pepper da so we
ya be dia bra na
tade ya be kire wo say Jandes company mu and our veggies.
Yeah.
You be jamo papa. How the
me na me ka be ransom full company.
No,
me be ransom full company.
Yeah, no. Yeah, ma time krabi.
Am me this. And sabo papa. And you want to cross over.
Yeah, one year show. Yeah, show say. Why? You know what is 2 days papa we here mo
Charlie.
But channel
mama na mu kwa na no do ko ye wo ayi ho kra no yare mama sia
Ghana sia bo bi ya ma
me ka tire o da yanko why high fever on when the shirt is an asset na bia no ya ko ya bet friend me no say the reality why
we ani ana ma say why say be
Mutumo ya foko
50,000
mutumo ya foko no
asambe ma patapa
o she counter back and o ka de o pe advance counter back to my chill advance na woni me
exactly na wa che no
na wa bana o se na me ka chere kan ni 2 days ka ti aka
nsam fu efre bi jan ba ya enya akonya ntena so esan akọ na ti every jan
so ana
o de abu ka saro bo man na de u ja na ka saro bo man na de ana me ma da ji wa hu
me nsuma wa master
me ma no adaji ada ya le kata so mi tumu kasa
o de be chiwa ana wo mu
o yale
Ona bla we twa amele.
me na ka mi twa front and back e ka mi twa front and back
ona ko patapa
me twa front and back asi edu katua wa tua me e friend say echa etimi so me ncha me so me twa amele why we were chopping na bomu task ka me konkwa twa front and back and I me konkwa twa half cut half currency na me free Lagos na bae aboata standing na mo ke ye case me ba si me so maka se bo so me de menya 1 cedi bo so me de menya 1 cedi na atua na mo atrem mo kwase ase